It's that time again in Central Texas. I have big oak trees dump piles and piles and piles of leaves every year this time, and every year we have to figure out what to do with them. We have gardens, we have flower beds, we have I don't know, pretty big lot, and for years I've been dumping them on a compost pile, but they don't break down. They just the pile gets bigger. So this year, after listening to a bunch of garden shows, and I decided I'm going to buy a chipper, grind the leaves up as small as I can get them, see what happens. And so the video that I've done today is to show you the chipper mulcher that I bought, used, and I tried it with some limbs. That kind of chipper just doesn't work for chipping up leaves very quick. And so I'm going to only use it for a leaf mulcher, and I think it did a pretty good job in a pretty good fast time. So hopefully I've got this condensed. Most of the speeds are ×7, and I've got a pretty big pile of leaves, and we're going to make it into a small pile of leaves. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.